I told you to start putting on colognes. When you don't put on colognes, you smell like skin and you smell like air. Everything smells like air. I'm trying to tell you, bro. Maybe if you just put on this Acqua Di Gio Profumo, she would have smelled you, bro. You would have cut through everybody else. All right, matter of fact, I got this. All right, I gotta do. Now, let me call you back, bro. All right, what's on with you? Acqua Di Gio Profumo, strongest concentration of the Armani Acqua Di Gio Profumo line. Y'all wanna know how good it is? Y'all wanna know how it smells before you buy it? Let's talk about it.
I'm a money magnet, draped in designer, I stay high fashion. Chris, you bougie, know I'm high maintenance.
All right, y'all, straight up, this has marine notes. It's a very strong, fresh fragrance, okay? Some people might like it, some people might not like it. I know a lot of people that say they think it stank, and there's a whole bunch of people that think it smells good. It's not no middle ground with this Acqua Di Gio Profumo. It's a love and hate relationship, okay? It has marine notes, it has some incense in it, and it has some patchouli, okay? This cologne came out in 2015. They got Profondo, and they also have the original Acqua Di Gio. See, the original Acqua Di Gio was his own worst enemy, okay? It smelled really good, but it didn't last as long. So what Acqua Di Gio did, it was like, we're gonna keep up in the concentration. We're gonna make this fragrance that people love smell way stronger, okay? Now, this has the same DNA as the original Acqua Di Gio. So it still smells fresh, it still smells good for the summertime and the springtime. But this cologne right here is very fresh. It's very long lasting. I promise y'all it's gonna last you about 8 hours. It's gonna sit in your skin for a very long time. I had this bottle for about 2 weeks. It took me a minute to review it because I had to make sure I wasn't tripping. A lot of people say they ain't like it, but a lot of people did say they like it, okay? So it kind of was like an up and down. So I didn't know if I was gonna tell y'all that it did good or it did bad, but it's like, it's more so in the middle. It might be because it's winter time, because I'm in Cleveland, so maybe they just didn't like the fragrance because it's kind of really musky and fresh and it's wintertime, so you know, sweet and spicy fragrances take charge during this time period of the during this season. So maybe they just didn't like it for them reasons. But when it comes to my opinion, I like this. This is very masculine. This is a man's fragrance. I always did like the original Acqua Di Gio because it was a classic, but no, it really didn't last that long. So whenever you had to put on the old one, you had to spray it on and go right in somebody's face instantly. Like, yeah, that was like a spray and go. That was like, you damn near had to keep a bottle on you to keep refreshing yourself once the scent ran out. But they came out with a perfume version, this Profumo, and I'm telling you, like, this lasts all day. Oh, what I can say about this, the projection on this, it takes up a whole little room, okay? If you're in a car, somebody come in, they smelling you straight out the gate. It's powerful, it's very strong. Like I said, got them incense notes. So if y'all like incense, y'all burn a lot of incense when y'all smoking that devil's lettuce or whatever, y'all just burn incense and sage and stuff like that when y'all in your house trying to cleanse y'all body or just trying to freshen up the house, you will love Acqua Di Gio because it still got that fresh, smell good fragrance, okay? Right now it's discontinued, but you can still find it out and about. You gotta go kind of copy, you gotta hurry up and go get it because it's moving fast and the price is just going up. Like, you know what I'm saying? The average cost for this bottle is over $100, okay? And the maximum cost I've seen for the same bottle is like $200. So you're gonna have to find it however you can find it. So if I was you, I was gonna offer up Facebook Marketplace, eBay, fragrancenet.com. I'll go on Amazon. I'll compare all the prices before I make my purchase because it's like 100 price range difference with this. So you might want to check around before you buy it. All right, first impressions with this, you know, it's just strong out the gate, masculine. It also kind of smell like Issey Miyake a little bit. So if y'all hip to that the Lotus Pearl Home, Issey Miyake, or y'all hip to like Dolce & Gabbana light blue, stuff like that, this is the same type of DNA as that. It's just that fresh scent for the summer and winter time. All right, now this Big Boss. If you like this review, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if y'all got this in y'all collection. I kind of see that my boys out there always picking this up, which is dope. All right, love y'all. Y'all take it easy.
I'm selling that cake. Fuck all the talking and fuck all the talking and fuck all the walking, got money to make. Fuck on a bitch and I don't do a date. Came off the streets and I'm paving my way. Yeah, you on top, but I'm counting your days. Yeah, you on top, but I'm counting your days. Came to the party with no gun. Left the party with a